everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my second unboxing of lots of jewelry. I purchased this lot from eBay and it stated that it had been unsearched. So we will see. I just wanted to see. I really enjoyed the Goodwill one I got. So let's see what we got from eBay. This cost me $24.06. I don't remember the weight of it, but it is smaller, I believe, than the Goodwill. So I'm going to open the box and we'll see what we got. Okay guys, I am back. I opened the bag and I had just started going through things and realized I didn't start filming. So I'm going to go over the few things I have already gone through, and then yeah, first is this locket. The locket itself I don't believe is silver. No, I'm pretty sure it is not silver, although it doesn't it's not magnetized, but look at how it's worn there. But I do believe the chain is silver, or maybe silver filled. I don't know. The chain is not magnetized. Can you see that? Kind of adjust a little bit. So I am going to test this piece. And then there was this ring, but it is missing rhinestones. And then I pulled out this plastic necklace that is a Florida Gator fans necklace. These are plastic, so both of these are going into my craft lot. And then this little barrette, which is so pretty. It is missing stones. It does look, well, maybe it's not too antique, but I am going to put that in my craft lot. Now, I just started to talk about this one, and I think this one is broken. It definitely is broken. It is very pretty. I believe it's a Napier. I believe this come off of it. I'm not sure. This is a Napier clasp, but I'm not sure if it was on this. I don't think it was. So maybe it's not Napier. This has a lot of wear on it. So this is going into my craft lot because these beads are beautiful. So far, I'm not too excited about this. These are just gold tone beads. They're worn out. They're going my craft lot. Let's see. I might be sticking with buying from Goodwill than from a seller, I think, on eBay, because I'm sure all this stuff has been gone through. Although it said it was not supposed to have been. This is just a little black. It's like enamel, but it's nothing. It's going into a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. At least it's fun to look. And I only paid, I think, $24 for this. So. But if it's $24 worth of junk, well, it's not really junk. I'm not going to say that. This has a nice little clasp, but look at that. It's like it's a pretty like little crystal heart. Maybe silver. I will test that. Whoops. This is a stretchy necklace. How does it go? It looks kind of cool. It's got tassels on it. I'm not too fond of the tassels. But these beads are kind of interesting looking. I don't know that I could. They're plastic. That's craft lot. Man. I don't know about this one. Whoops. This is definitely junk. one of those memory wire things. Here's a bangle. A Bay Studio bangle. Somebody has tested it already. See, haha. It's probably just plastic. It's sold for $14.99, but because they did that test to it, it messed up the inside. I don't know if I can clean that up or not. I don't know that I want to waste the time. It's a pretty bangle. I don't need it though. Yeah. Oh goodness, not too exciting. Look at this. This is nothing. Oh, gosh. I was a little excited at first. This is a little I think a handmade bracelet. Maybe. Let's see if it has gold. No. I don't even need that. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. I'm not too excited about all this jewelry, I have to tell you. These aren't even wooden beads. I think they're plastic. That's junk. Junk. Everything is junk in this box from eBay. Plastic. It was sorted, even though it said it was unsorted. That's kind of cute. I don't like when it has this faux leather strap on it. Oh, that's not anything either. And then, what is this? Okay. It's tangled up. Probably not worth untangling. Let's be real. Plastic beads. Plastic beads. Junk. Oh, gosh. Not happy. That is as light as a feather. Do I want to craft with that? You know, I probably do. Not this cord. I'll craft with that. I'll trash that. Oh, gracious. Alright, what is this? It's got a horse and it says friends. Is it silver? No. My nieces, my sister-in-law parents own a horse farm in Polk County, North Carolina. And their grandmother is a horse whisperer. I might just see if Meredith wants that. Let's see. See if my niece Meredith might just want that. I mean, I'm not going to make any money off of it. Okay, my first lesson learned. My first lesson learned. These charms are heavy. The leather is nasty. This is broken. Broken. I think there's something else hooked on it. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna just put that in a craft lot. Look at this nasty tassel necklace. Nasty tassels. Nasty. That's junk. Junk. Got a bag of junk. I have learned my lesson. I'm going to craft with that. Okay, here's some shell earrings that I am definitely not interested in. It's trash. Well, it's craft, but I don't. She should have marked this as a craft lot, not a untested. This has got some weight to it, but I don't think it's, no. And it's scuffed up really bad, so craft, plastic beads, craft. Jeez Louise. Craft. Wouldn't it be nice to find just maybe one thing to get my money back? Oh, junk. Junk, junk, junk. I threw $24 away. I threw $24 away. Look at all those chains. I can do something with that. This is so light. Light as a feather. Plastic. That is nothing. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Let's see if my niece wants that. She's 5. Now this is pretty. One pretty little piece. I don't really think I can sell it though. Jeez. Plastic beads. Plastic. Plastic, plastic. Junk. I don't even think I want it for my crafts. Junk. Nasty tassels. Oh. Yeah, nasty tassels. I'll keep it for the chain. This is pretty now. I don't think it's real though. Can you see that? I can't tell what you can see. I don't think so. Oh, it's not real. Yeah, and the finish is wearing off. I like that little heart though. I think I'll save it for crafting. And then last is this long chain that will go into my crafts. I got absolutely nothing worth selling in this lot. Absolutely nothing. I've got two chains I will test to see if they're silver. This one may very well be. It's not marked though. Usually they're marked, so it may not be. See, it's not. And then this one, I don't know what you can see. It's not, they're not testing, so. And that little bit of silver is not enough to make any money off this box. I threw that money away. I got nothing out of this box. Not one thing of value. Oh, this plastic, whatever. That's it. That is it. Okay, lesson learned. If I'm going to buy, that's broken. If I'm going to buy a lot of jewelry, I'm going to get it from Goodwill. Because I know when they get the jewelry in, they just, pile it up and sell it. They don't really, I don't believe, really go through it. This was supposed to be an unsearched lot, and I got a bag of junk that I I would have been really upset if I didn't have this much craft. But that's not $24 worth. Ah! All right, lesson learned. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, it's junk. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.